Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the 45HR building. Now this building is located at 45 Hope Road. It's actually right across from Jamaica House. Now this is a very nice 10-floor building. It is a commercial building and it's scheduled to finish in the spring of 2024. Now in the background there, that is the One Belmont building. That one is 9 floors. Now this building is, as we said, commercial space. It's 10 floors and it is 58,000 square feet. Now this building is going to have 2 entrances. That's Hope Road that you're looking at now, but the property actually has another entrance. I don't remember the name of the road, but it's the road right before the building where you see that blue roof. There is a road there. You're going to see it in a little bit, and you can enter there as well. So that's to the left of the building where you see like the construction site. That is a part of the property for the building. And that building coming up in the right of the screen now, that is the Rogers, and that's 20 floors. That's the tallest building in Jamaica. And between this building and the Rogers is the Usain Bolt call center, also on Hope Road. And that property to the right now, that is Jamaica House. Very nice property. I'm not sure what happens at Jamaica House anymore because the Prime Minister has the office of the Prime Minister, which is a separate building built at the back of Jamaica House, and it has a separate entrance. So I think I'm not sure officially what happens at Jamaica House. Maybe it's just a government office now. But this building is perfect for the BPO sector. And the Usain Bolt building just down the road is also a BPO building. Now this building it directly overlooks Jamaica House. It has a line of sight to Jamaica House. And some security persons were saying that they should not have built a building so tall directly overlooking Jamaica House. It was basically a security concern for Jamaica House. But as we said earlier, I'm not sure what happens at Jamaica House. I don't think it's of anything significant. Okay, so this building is listed now as a brand new building built 58,000 square feet. It's a modern building located on Hope Road right across from Jamaica House. This building is ideal for BPO, government and corporate institutions. And the 10-story building will be available for lease in the spring of 2024. Now the lot size is 4,833 square feet. And I'm not sure, but I see a price of 120,000 US per month. That must be the price to rent the entire 10 floors of the building. And it's going to have basement parking, so all 10 floors are rentable space. 120,000 US per month. I mean, I don't know if that figure is accurate, but that is a heavy figure. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Let us know what you think of this building. I must say, very nicely done. 10 floors. Very nicely done. And it's built in a very busy area. Hope Road leads to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest area in Jamaica. So this is a building from the Hope Road angle now. Alright guys, let us know what you think of this building. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. And we'll give you updates on this building every 2 weeks. And all the major construction going on in Kingston or in Jamaica, we'll give you updates every 2 weeks. This is definitely one of the taller buildings going up in the Kingston area. And if you have any video you want us to make, just leave our comments in the section below. We'll be happy to make it. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.